The emergency alert went off at 2:41 a.m., and my address was on the screen. At 2:41 a.m., my phone exploded with an emergency alert, and my heart froze when I saw my own address flashing on the screen as the danger zone, saying, "Do not approach this location." While I was literally sitting inside that house alone, I rushed to the window thinking maybe there was a gas leak or police outside, but the street was completely empty, no sirens, no lights, nothing. Then my phone buzzed again with a private notification saying, "You have 60 seconds to leave." I grabbed my keys and ran out barefoot, and the moment I crossed the sidewalk, every light in my house turned on at once, doors locking themselves, alarms blaring, and seconds later police cars surrounded the place, asking how I knew to leave, because according to them, the alert was scheduled to go live 1 minute later, and if I had stayed, I would have been trapped inside during a controlled raid meant to catch someone who was supposed to be me.